I love to use Canvas in my classroom. It has been wonderful for my students. It's been easy for me now that I know how to do it. It's wonderful to have it up on the smart board, and it's my lesson plans ready to go, and I just click on it and it comes right up for my students, and it's been really great. Well, at first I was very afraid of Canvas. I thought I can never do this, and I was really in tears in the beginning, thinking I'm never going to learn this, I'm never going to know how to do this. But now that I've worked really hard on everything, and I love it. I actually love doing Canvas, and I get excited doing my lessons on it, and it's been really great. It's been really great.
And I used to be very scared of technology, and Kelly has come to 2nd grade this year and has been our hero. And now I'm not afraid of technology and Canvas anymore. Thanks, Kelly.
You're welcome.